Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today we're highlighting an issue that affects every community: illegal dumping. From abandoned furniture to construction debris and even hazardous materials, these unlawful acts not only damage the environment but also create health and safety risks for residents. Cleanup costs alone can drain city budgets, yet the problem often continues without effective monitoring. This is where technology steps in. By installing security cameras in public areas and known dumping hotspots, municipalities, property owners, and businesses can discourage violators before they act. The presence of cameras alone is a powerful deterrent, but modern systems offer even more: motion detection, license plate recognition, and remote monitoring. These tools allow for real-time detection, capture of critical evidence, and stronger enforcement of environmental regulations. Beyond enforcement, cameras ensure environmental compliance at industrial sites, construction zones, and community waste areas. This helps maintain cleaner neighborhoods, reduces cleanup expenses, and supports a healthier ecosystem for everyone. At Comm Systems, we believe that surveillance technology is not just about security, it's about protecting our environment and preserving our communities. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how technology keeps our world safer and cleaner. For more information, visit us online at www.dvcsny.com or call us at 888-501-5885.